make some, wow. Another way you can reuse and repurpose your tights is to make some potpourri at home. So everyone loves fresh flowers, but unfortunately there is definitely a shelf life. And I'm gonna show you a way that you can repurpose dry petals or flowers that just don't look as great anymore. So you're gonna need a pair of old tights, the foot section, and some flowers and some of your favorite perfume or room spray. So you're gonna take a pair of tights and cut out the foot portion. And the amount you cut out is entirely proportionate to how many petals or flowers you wanna stick in there. So if I wanna just have 2 flowers in there, maybe it'll be a little bit smaller. If I want the whole bouquet, then I'll make it a little bit bigger. So for now, I'm gonna just cut a little small piece. Set the rest aside for later. So I just picked out a few flowers that were kind of a little bit more dead than the other ones that I'm going to use for this. So you can use fresh flowers, you can use dried flowers, doesn't really make a difference. And what you're going to do is you're going to just peel off the petals. So you're going to just lay out all the petals and make sure that they're all flat. You're going to want to do this over a paper towel or a cloth. Because you're going to be spraying the perfume or whatever scent you want to use. So once you have that, I'm going to take my perfume and I'm going to just spray it. Okay, so now that you have that sprayed, I would wait for maybe an hour to let the flowers dry and to really let that scent absorb before moving on to the next step. Okay, so now that I've waited a little bit for the flowers to dry, these petals are now ready to be put into our little potpourri satchel right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the foot, so open it up like that, and gently drop all of the petals in. So these flowers are a little bit more on the fresh side, but if you get completely dried flowers, they're a little bit crunchier. It's really up to you. They're all gonna be dried eventually. So now that I've collected all of my sprayed flower petals into the foot, I'm ready to tie it up. So you can either tie it into a knot or you can use a piece of ribbon to tie it. And you're basically good to go. You can feel free to trim some of the extra at the top if you want, or just leave it like this. And now you have a very non-invasive way to fill your favorite area with your favorite scent.